Hello, I'm Laura Manelia for Handle Education, and today, in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to share with you a special secret that will boost your goal planning, and it's very smart. Why plan? Well, goal planning can make a wish or a dream turn into reality. A good goal plan can motivate you and focus your energy. We use the acronym SMART. Specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, time-bound. So let's use an example. Preparing for a math midterm exam in high school. Saying you want to do well in the exam is too vague. Instead, a specific goal would be achieving an 85, a B+ or better, to be able to qualify for the honors course in the next level math. Specific. Measurable. The score on the test is the measure. Attainable. This is an important step because it is the action plan, the how of how you're going to be able to achieve that goal. For example, set up a schedule now on your calendar. Perhaps study 3 times a week for 30 minutes for the math exam. Relevant. The action plan is relevant to the objective. T, time-bound. The math exam, midterm, is the deadline. Okay, you've made a plan, but now imagine potential obstacles. For instance, procrastination, misunderstanding some of the math concepts, the course workload, distractions. Then imagine the potential solutions for each of those. So for procrastination, maybe you want to set up alerts to remind yourself of when you have set your study plan. Regarding not understanding a concept, make sure that you make an appointment with the teacher or at the math lab for some clarity so you will understand them. And social distractions, well, I would say be sure that you're in a quiet place to study. Be sure that you have off all social media. And in order to not be distracted by your friends, set up a time when you actually know that you're going to meet with them so they don't interfere with your study plan. In conclusion, organizing your SMART goals can help you attain your objectives, and imagining and listing possible obstacles and imagining and listing their possible solutions can help you stay on track. If you found this video helpful, please like it. If you have questions, please email me at the address given below. For additional learning tips, take a look at my other videos, How to Excel in Studying and STING. Thank you once again. I'm Laura Manelia for Handle Education.